Yes, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set up the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. So before we begin, let's press on the power button on the side here. It is the button with a red on the side, red color on the side. So press and hold on the power button to switch on your Galaxy Watch 4. Okay, so once it is turned on, have it close to your Samsung Galaxy phone. So here is the Galaxy S22 Ultra. So I'm going to try to pair it up with my Galaxy S22. Now this may take a few seconds to turn on. Okay, once it's turned on, you should see it say welcome. Okay, so we're going to tap on it. And then it said language, select a language. So you can tap on language and then choose the language that you want to use. And then press on the bottom button to go back. And say get started in the Galaxy Wearable app on your phone. Now normally your phone should automatically detect the watch. If you already click on the cancel button, that's okay. On the phone, we can go into the app screen. So swipe up to go into the app screen, and we're going to open up the wearable app. So I'm going to type in Wear Galaxy Wearable, and then I'm going to tap on the scan again. And here it is. It's a Galaxy Watch 4, so we tap on that. And say check the number on your watch. If they match, we're going to tap on the confirm button. And I'm going to tap on the yes or the tick button on my watch. And now that they are both paired, let's proceed to the next step. So now it says it's going to download the software. So first up is going to try to update your Galaxy Watch software. So just wait for that. The software is 106 megabyte. So we're just going to wait for that to finish. Alright, so now it's a for your review. So we can tap on the continue button. And it says allow Galaxy Watch 4 manager to access your calendar. I'm going to choose allow. And allow. And then allow again. And then allow. Allow. So we'll try to access a number of different things such as call, messages, and so on. So just keep pressing on the allow button. And then tap on agreed. And now say getting your watch ready. This may take a few minutes. So it is now up to 9%. Actually, it's quite fast. So it is 40% already. Alright, so that's 100%. Getting Google account info. This may take a few minutes. So we wait for that as well. Okay, at this point it says do I want to use this account to sign in. So I can either tap on continue to sign in and put in the screen passcode. And it will copy the information from my Galaxy phone to the watch. So for example, some of the account's information, it will copy that to the watch. Now next, if you have a backup from your older watch, you can tap on the next. Otherwise, you can tap on the skip button. Now I do not have any restore to backup, so I'm going to tap on the skip button. And it says charge your watch and phone to at least 50% before adding a mobile plan. So I'm going to tap on the OK button. And then say finishing up. And after that, it's a you're all set. And that's it. So now the watch is synced with my Galaxy phone. And it is starting at the moment. And over here, say make calls and send text from your watch by setting it up a mobile plan for it. So I can tap on get started or not now. And that is pretty much how you can set up your Galaxy Watch 4. Alright, so here on my watch, I'm going to tap on the start button. It says swipe down from the top to open up the quick panel. And at the moment, my watch is on 8%, so I probably need to charge it up. It says swipe up to go back to the watch face. So this is the watch face right here. And I can swipe up to go into apps, swipe down to go back to watch face again. And for notifications, swipe right and say tap to open this notifications. So if we have a notification, we can tap on it to open, and swipe right from the edge to go back to the previous screen. Swipe left to go back, and press on the home key to go to the watch face from any screen. So this is the home key button. And that's it. So enjoy your watch. So don't miss a thing. The orange dot indicates new notification over here. So this is daily activity. I can swipe across here for other information. So we've got ECG, heart rate, stress, and I can add in additional towels. And anytime we press on the home button, it will go back to the clock face. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.